Hey guys, good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to Moneyball. I want to remind you guys before we get started, make sure you subscribe and like. Now, today I'm going to show each and every one of you how to jump your credit scores, maybe by 50 points, at least 50 points or more. As soon as we come right back, I'm going to show you how to get rental history, whether it's going forward in the future or past 24 months, how to get all of that reported to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian with the touch of a button. And overnight, watch your credit scores go through the roof. Stay there. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. Before we get right to it, let me remind you that next week we're going to do a video that will show you how to remove hard inquiries off your credit report with the touch of a button. And also coming up is the video I promised you to put $150,000 into your bank account, really within 2 to 3 weeks max. But for right now, without further ado, let's talk about credit. And let's talk about how to get rental history put on your credit reports. Now remember guys, at some point in all of our lives, we grow up, right? Unfortunately, we move out of our mom and dad's house. We don't depend on other people. And we're looking around us wondering, how can we have a better credit score? Because having good credit dictates everything that you do in life and what you have, unfortunately. It's really a number that's assigned to your psychological behavior. That's a good way to look at it. So one way to do it, guys, is whether you're paying rent when you move out of mom and dad's house, whether you're paying rent to a private landlord or a public landlord, we found a cool website, and I've been using it now for over a year, where for a touch of a button and a small fee, I believe it's $99 sign-up fee and $9 a month, they will report to all 3 repositories, which is cool, not just 1 or 2 of them, but all 3 of them. They'll report the rent that you're paying, and they'll go back 24 months. That's right, you heard that right. So that means you can sign up today, and if you've paid rent for the last 2 years, they'll put it on your credit report. Now guys, I want you to imagine for a second what a 24-month pay history marked up good added to all 3 repositories on your credit report will do for you today. It'll put you in the car you want, the house you want. It's really the answer to all your prayers. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to switch to my computer screen. I'm going to show you the sign-up process. I want you to stay tuned because at the end of the sign-up process, I'm going to give you a golden nugget on how to get the reporting people that do the rent reporting, how to get them to report more than what your rent actually is. You heard that right. So let's get right to it. Watch my screen. By the way, the website is www.rentreporters.com. Okay guys, here's the site you need to be on, rentreporters.com. Let's cover a couple things real quick. Remember, pricing starts at around, with the discount, if you use the link I gave you in the video down below, you'll get a discount of $25. So pricing will be a one-time payment of $75 to these people, and then I think it's $9.95 a month. Right here on the website, you can see they don't oversell it. They show you an average increase of 40 points in 10 days. They report to the credit bureaus. Guys, this is super easy to do, and whoever's not doing this, I really don't know why. I've done it, and I've seen my score go over 700 because of this. So here's what I want you to do. When you go to this page, you hit sign up, go to the next page here. And guys, I want to treat you like adults. I don't think I need to take you through every page here. You sign up, put your information in, put in your landlord information, and then put in your rental information. It's very easy. You pay and you hit submit. Now, there's a little gold nugget that I want to give to you. We're going to go back to video now because I want to give you this little piece of gold nugget, which I think is very, very important. Okay guys, the last thing that I wanted to tell you about that I mentioned on the video just now was this. Make a 3-way telephone call. Call your landlord first, okay, and let them know that you're going to be calling with a third-party service on the line that wants to verify how much you pay per month. Listen to what I'm saying, how much you pay per month for your rent, if you pay for a garage, if you pay for cable, your utilities. Just let that person know that you're going to be verifying what that number is. So if you pay $1,600 a month for rent, your utilities and your garage and all that stuff together comes to $1,900. This is what I did. Tell them you're going to be verifying that number of $1,900, and if they're okay with that. They're going to say yes, they always do. Now, Call the rent reporters on the number of their website. Guys, this is a startup operation, rent reporters. Believe me, you can run this entire telephone call. You just have to pick up the phone and take control. Call them and say, hey, I just signed up on your website and I want to make the job of verifying my rent for you a little bit easier. So I want to do a 3-way telephone call. Can we do that right now? The reason why they're going to say yes is because all they do to verify rent is send out an email. That's all that they do. Believe me, your account can sit there for a month or 2 at a time until your landlord responds. I know this because mine did. So you don't want that to happen. You want to take the initiative to call rent reporters and tell them exactly what I told you. And then when you're on that 3-way telephone call, let's say it's ringing and you're the representative at your apartment complex, let's say her name's Tiffany. She picks up, she goes, hello, this is Tiffany, blah, blah, blah. You say, hey, Tiffany, this is Andrew Alfonso calling. I have Rent Reporters, which is a third-party reporting service that wants to report my rent to my credit that I've paid for, and they just want to verify that I actually pay my rent to you of $1,900 per month for apartment number, blah, blah, blah. And then you introduce her to the person that's on the line with you. It's as simple as that. They're going to say, yes, ma'am, is that true? Does he really pay this? Tiffany's going to say yes, and then boom. You'll be reporting your rent, your utilities, the garage you pay for, cable, whatever you want to throw in there, really. So, guys, that's a golden nugget. Make sure you do it. My rent's only $1,600 per month. It shows up on my credit report every month that I pay like $1,940, and I don't pay $1,940. So, well, I do pay $1,940 when you count everything together, but you know what I'm saying. So this is important. Make sure you do that, guys. Took me months to figure this out. I'm sharing it with you. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe. I want to send you more videos like this. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for tuning in today, and take care of yourself.